With family rushing in every direction to get school, work, and extracurricular activities, parents and kids know how hectic the back-to-school and fall rush can be. Collen Burns, our supermom of 6 boys, is here to show us how to tame the back-to-school craze, but also how to satisfy and soothe with easy snacks, meal tips, recipes, and kitchen essentials. Hi, Collen.
Hey there, if you're like me, you want whatever you serve your kids to taste homemade, even if it's not. So I was thrilled to discover Dewey's Bakery soft-baked cookies. They're honestly the best kept secret because they're made by this North Carolina bakery that's been around for 90 years, but now they're available at your local grocery store. The flavors are amazing, like lemon bar and brown butter chocolate chip. They have clean ingredients without preservatives, artificial flavors, or colors, so if I don't have time to bake, it's the next best thing. I also like to keep pre-sliced smoked ham and turkey in my refrigerator, which is a lifesaver during the week. And there's a reason Kentucky Legend is the #1 retailer of sliced boneless ham and turkey. The ham is double smoked and natural juices for this great rich flavor, and the turkey is just 60 calories and 1 gram of fat per serving. They're already seasoned and sliced, so I can have a little sandwich bar ready for the kids after school. The meat stays fresh for 7 to 10 days after opening it, so just think how many meals you can come up with in just minutes. And of course, we always have Sun-Maid yogurt-covered raisins in our pantry. We've had them for decades, but now this easy, convenient snack is even better. A new recipe and these great mashups of chocolate and vanilla, strawberry and vanilla, even salted caramel. My kids crave them, and I approve because they're made with whole fruit and non-GMO. You can find them in your store's dried fruit section. And here's another convenient snack you and your kids will love. New Lindsay Snack and Go olives are the perfect portable snack. Low in carbs, high in omega-3s and phytonutrients, and the best part, they're liquid-free, which means no mess. A total must for lunch boxes and kiddos' backpacks for a healthy snack between school and soccer practice. And I love to carry a few packs onto my carry-on for a smart snack on the plane. For more information, you can go to dailylounge.com. Back to you.
Thanks, Collen.